Loading. Loading complete.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Topics and Reviews. I'm your host, an evolving knowledge seeker and a learning enthusiast, back with another exciting video. Everything you see, your phone, your body, the stars above you, is made from just over 100 building blocks. But these elements are not random. They follow a pattern, a hidden order that unlocks the behavior of matter itself. This is the periodic table, one of the most powerful tools in all of science. The periodic table is a structured chart that organizes all known chemical elements based on their properties. Each element is defined by its atomic number, the number of protons in its nucleus. For example, hydrogen has 1 proton, carbon has 6, oxygen has 8. This number determines how each element behaves chemically. In 1869, Dmitri Mendeleev created the first widely accepted periodic table. He arranged elements by atomic mass and noticed repeating patterns, what we now call periodicity. What made his work revolutionary was that he left gaps. He predicted elements that had not yet been discovered, and he was right. The table is organized into rows, periods. Elements in the same row have the same number of electron shells. Columns, groups. Elements in the same column share similar chemical properties. For example, Group 1, highly reactive metals. Group 18, noble gases, almost completely inert blocks. The table is also divided into regions: S block, P block, D block, and F block, based on electron configurations. This structure reflects the principles of quantum mechanics. The key lies in electrons, specifically how they are arranged around the nucleus. This arrangement is called electron configuration. It determines reactivity, bonding behavior, physical properties. For example, sodium reacts violently with water, while neon does almost nothing. Why? Because neon has a full outer shell, making it stable. The periodic table is not just a chart, it's a map of the universe. Hydrogen and helium were formed after the Big Bang. Heavier elements like carbon and oxygen were forged in stars through nuclear fusion. Even heavier elements, like gold, were created during catastrophic events like supernova explosions. You are literally made of stardust. The periodic table allows scientists to predict chemical reactions, design new materials, develop medicines, understand the composition of planets. It is used in chemistry, physics, biology, and even space exploration. Without it, modern science would be impossible. Today, the periodic table includes 118 elements. The most recent additions were confirmed by organizations like International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Scientists continue searching for new elements, pushing the limits of atomic stability. The periodic table is more than a chart. It's a blueprint of existence, a system that reveals how the universe builds itself, one element at a time. If this journey through the code of matter expanded your perspective, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Topics and Reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check the video description for more videos from Topics and Reviews, additional useful links, and the scientific sources used in this video. Together, let's keep the flame of curiosity burning bright. Until next time, stay curious, everyone.